let's talk about idioms. Today I'm going to go over 4 common idioms in English. Number 1, a shot in the dark. If you say something is a shot in the dark, it means it is a guess at the information without having the actual factual information. My answer to the last question was a total shot in the dark. Number 2, cut to the chase. If you tell someone to cut to the chase, it means that you want them to get to the most important piece of information right away. Okay, well, we have a lot of work to do today, so I'm just going to cut to the chase and tell you what needs to be done. Number 3, on board. If you say that you are on board with something, it means that you support and agree with that thing. I'm glad that everybody is on board with moving our meeting to next week. And number 4, at the end of the day. This expression is used to give your final opinion about something after you've thought about all the possibilities. Well, at the end of the day, it's your choice to make, not mine. Let me know what other expressions you are struggling with, and we can talk about them here. All right, I'll see you next time.